Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, everybody. Our topic for today is about taking care of one's clothes. The objectives are determine the different ways of taking care of one's clothes. Number two, recognize the sewing tools and their functions to repair worn out clothes. You have an activity to view uh, on care of clothes. The link is, you will be provided with a link that is below this activity. What is clothes? Clothes is an item worn to cover the body. What are the proper ways of washing clothes? Number one, before washing, separate the ones with tears and holes. They should be repaired first before washing to prevent further damage. Number two, the colored clothes and the white ones should not be washed together to prevent from discolorization or color bleeding. Number three, hand washing is rubbing the clothes using your wrist and hands with enough pressure to remove the dirt. Next, number four is rinse the clothes until the water is clear of soap. Hang the clothes using hangers directly to the clothesline. Number five, stained clothes should be pre-treated before washing them. Okay. Next topic is tools in repairing worn out parts of clothes. Number one, roller is used to measure your short sizes and connect straight lines. Number two, tape measure is used in taking body measurement. Okay, what are the cutting tools? Number one is cutting shear. It has a length of 8 to 9 inches. This is used for cutting long fabrics. Number two is scissors. Shorter than shear, used for shaping short curves, trimming, and cutting button holes. Number three, ripping or thread clip scissor has short blades. This is used for ripping of stitches and seams. Number four, trimming scissors. This is used for cutting and trimming threads. Number five is seam ripper. It's a wire rod with a hook in one end, which is used to remove the rims and stitches. What are the marking tools? Number one is tailor's chalk, used to transfer the marks from the pattern to the fabric. Number two, penile is used to mark the patterns on the fabric in the absence of a tailor's chalk. Okay, number three, tracing wheel is used together with carbon paper to transfer pattern marks on the fabric. What are the other sewing tools? Number one is pins. This is used to hold the pieces of temporary materials together, such as the pattern paper and the fabric. Number two, hand needle is used for marking stitches and buttonless. Number three, thimble used to push the needle and to protect the middle finger from getting pricked. Emery bag is a small sandbag that cleans the rusty, sticky pins and needles. Number 5, pin cushion, used to hold the pins and needles when they are not in use. Number 6, thread, used to keep the fabrics together. And the last one is the sewing box. It's a container where all the tools and materials are placed. What are the ways to repair worn out parts of clothes? Number 1, darning and mending. Number 2, patching. Okay. In storing the clothes in the cabinet or closet, we have the following. Number 1, put desiccants and mothballs inside the closet or cabinet to prevent mildew, insects, and rodents. Number 2, dry the clothes before folding and hanging in the cabinet or in the closet. Number 3, fold or roll your homeware and sleepwear garments neatly. Number 4, do not push tightly the clothes in the cabinet. It will crumple. Number 6, hang your school uniforms, church wear, and other garments suited for parties and formal occasions. Number 7, the undergarments should have a separate drawer which is neat and clean from any insects and rodents. Okay, class, that's end up our topic for today.